at feeding time.
Wow, look at everyone feeding.
At feeding time.
They love food almost as much as Anthony. Eat and chew.
That's what animals do.
Eat and chew, eat and chew.
Animals eat